Hi guys, my name is Benjamin.
And me, Stefan. Today we're cooking with you a healthy quinoa bowl. What we need for quinoa bowl is already into the pan the quinoa, what needs to little bit get roasted, and we put straight in water.
He needs 20 minutes for boiling or a little bit longer, and it's for the time we start now with this, and now we show you the rest from the productions what we need for the bowl.
Exactly. Next, baby spinach, I prefer fresh. Then chicken fillets, or if you don't have chicken fillets, you use chicken breast. Smoked paprika, salt, we need garlic, olive oil, different colors of bell pepper, red onion, cherry tomato, and lemon. So Benjamin is taking care of the chicken and the vegetables.
Yes.
Right? And I go further with the quinoa.
Perfect. We change the pan, we stay it here and take the other one. I show you how we braid the chicken.
So in the meantime Benjamin is preparing. I prepared the mixture for what we put later into the quinoa. It contains the baby spinach, a little bit of fresh chili, spring onions, a little bit of water, a little bit of lemon juice, salt, pepper.
So now I start. I have taken a little bit olive oil in the pan, and now I take the chicken fillets inside.
So back to me. Spinach is in, little bit of fresh chili, little bit of water. We need salt. Of course, pepper. And of course, a little bit of lemon juice. And then we are ready to mix. Benjamin, the quinoa is alright?
Okay. The chicken is to braid. Now I start to slice the vegetables. I have also taken a little bit more water to the quinoa. It needs a lot of water. Okay, we slice the vegetables.
Okay, I start to blend. If it's getting too dry, you just use a little bit more water. Or I see it's a little bit too much liquid, we put a little bit more spinach in. So for the quinoa, what is quinoa? Not everybody knows quinoa. Quinoa is usually from South America, especially Peru and Bolivia. And we call this superfood. Superfood, what means superfood? It's good for your health, it's good for your well-being, has a lot of fiber, a lot of iron, a lot of minerals. It's against colds, what is good, and is also for strong bones. So guys, if you make a lot of exercise, eating quinoa is not too bad.
Okay, now we can take a little bit salt on top from the chicken and turning around. And now we can start. We take the red onions inside. The pepper. You can take all in the same pan. The flavor is very good and it's no problem.
I give it a last spin. And then we are ready to put it into the quinoa mix.
I take you the pan here, Stefan.
Yes, beautiful.
It's a little bit easier.
So that gives some extra flavors, especially with the spinach and the chili. And we just leave it to cook. The quinoa, from time to time you just taste until it's cooked very well. So as you can see, it took us around 15 minutes. All the water has gone. The quinoa looks light and fluffy. You see? We taste it. If you think we need more salt or pepper, we add it on.
Okay, guys, now we have a little bit color for the vegetables. We can salt the vegetables, and then you can take all around a little bit smoky paprika. It gives a very good flavor, and this is one thing what you give is the last step what you give into the pan. When you roast it too hard, it's the flavor was like a little bit bitter.
Exactly, the flavor gets bitter. So this is the last step you do actually with the smoking paprika. Any dry herbs or spices, put it last, otherwise it gets very bitter. So Benjamin, for me the quinoa is good.
Perfect. The chicken is also finished.
I would say we are ready to blade.
Yes, perfect.
Yeah. We have the salad for the topping.
Yes, for the topping we have a herb salad with mint, with basil, with a little bit spinach what we have before chopped in the quinoa. We have fresh coriander, and now I think we start. I chop this again a little bit, not so much. It's 3 slices. And then we can marinate it with a little bit olive oil, salt and lime juice. Stefan, have you the rest from the lime before?
Yes. Okay. Lemon.
Lemon. Perfect.
Okay.
Here we take a little bit juice inside.
What we're gonna do when we start blading, I recommend always to get a little bit volume. We use some salad leaves. In this case we use romaine hearts. We just cut it a little bit like julienne to give the bowl an overall higher volume. Just thin juliennes. And here we go. So Benjamin, I would say we start the blade.
Perfect. I slice, the last time I slice tomatoes and half avocado. Take a spoon and under the skin you become it very easy outside. Take it on the plate and slice it.
Beautiful. So guys, now we start off with the quinoa. Here we go. First we start quinoa, put it on top of the salad leaves. I recommend always for one portion around 80 to 100 gram, because you have a lot of other condiments to put, so the bowl gets quite big.
The next step, we take the avocado on top.
Here we go. Then we start off with the chicken. Look at the color of the chicken. Beautiful with the smoked paprika.
Now we can take also the onions on top and the paprika.
Beautiful. So,
and now we take the herb salad.
okay, after the herb salad, nice freshly feta cheese. take it with your hands and we crumbled it a little bit over. There we go.
And the last step, cherry tomatoes. Perfect.
Okay.
Stefan, I think we are finished.
I think we are finished. Here we go, guys. Our quinoa bowl with chicken fillets, vegetables, avocado and feta cheese. I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe, give us a like. If you have any questions, comment to us, and thanks for watching. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.